Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to clone the Instagram messaging application on your Vivo phones or Phone Touch OS phones. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to clone Instagram on your Vivo phones? So to clone the Instagram app on your Vivo phone, you can have another type to clone. You can just download Instagram beta. It's Instagram Lite. So you can just download Instagram Lite, so you can parallelly use Instagram and Instagram Lite. If you just need a more Instagram app, just do this option. Just swipe down and just go inside the setting option. Now just swipe down and just click on the apps, and here you just need to swipe down and click on the app clone. So this option is on the Vivo phones. Defaultly click on this app clone and you will see a list of apps here. So just need to click here. So once the app enabled, the duplicated will be on your home screen. It will be added on your home screen. Click on this app. So the cloned app icon is added on your home screen. Just go to the home section, and here you can see an option to default second Instagram app. Click on this Instagram app and you can just log in whatever the Instagram account that you just needed. This is how it's work. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and we will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.